फोर संघटनेन शिक्षण माध्यमावेले समितीक विरोध उक्तायला। सरकारान जाता तितले बेगीन शिक्षण माध्यमाचो विषय सोडवचो, लोकांचे आनीक पासियेस पळोवचे न्हय अशी शिटकावणी फोर संघटनेचे निमंत्रक सावियो लोपिस हांणी दिल्या। फोर संघटनेन 2 लाख लोकांचे सहयोग घेवन शिक्षण माध्यम निवडपाचो अधिकार पालकांक दिवचो अशी मागणी करपी निवेदन शिक्षण संचालकांक भेटयला। आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
You know, the government has formed a committee, advisory committee, to give them the feedback on the MOI issue. This is the 3rd extension they have been given. Still the report is not come. Even the advisory committee which was there, the way they conducted the meetings and the way they called the invitees for the meetings were all fixed. So we felt that since FORCE was the main body which started this entire MOI issue, and they have not even invited nor consulted FORCE, which is a big fraud on the part of the committee. So today, on behalf of the parents of Goa, we have given a memorandum to the Director of Education. We have given a memorandum to the Chairman of the committee. We have given a memorandum to the NCRT Director who is conducting these meetings, rejecting this committee and telling them that this issue has to be settled as fast as possible, because please don't test the patience of the parents. It's 6 years now we are fighting for this movement, and we have no more patience with this. So we want the cabinet decision which was taken on the 1st of July 2014 to be implemented into a law and legislated as fast as possible.
So what is the next course of action now if this is not done?
See, we have already given the committee the memorandum. We rejected. So we will be calling for a general body meeting again. We are waiting for the next assembly session to be held, and then we will decide what exactly has to be done, because it has been too long. Actually, we should have stopped this entire issue and focused on the quality of education. But sadly, we have the quality of education is really going down. Even this year, if you have seen the government schools, there are almost 250 plus schools which are single teacher schools, which are on the verge of closing. So instead of improving the quality of education and focusing on the children's future, we are sitting with a debate which is not even relevant, because it is very clear. We have given facts and figures to the government today, stating their own statistics and the information gathered to RTI that the education system, where exactly the population is going to. So the demand is definitely for English medium schools. They have the statistics, they have all the record on possible, but still I don't know why this delay.